Hello.
Good morning.
Hey, good morning.
Welcome to Bryce Canyon. Day 2 of our epic road trip.
And we can't breathe.
We are at 8,000 feet and it's hard to breathe. A little
We're dying.
different from being at like 3,000 feet yesterday.
Something like that, yeah.
Oh.
We'll get this though.
Yeah.
Today we are doing a couple hikes. Hopefully they're open.
There's a lot of
We don't
snow
know.
here still, so we
Yeah,
got our
we'll
spikes on.
Yeah, we got spikes, and first one we're doing is the
Tower Bridge.
Tower Bridge.
Yeah.
And we'll take it from there, guys, okay?
All right, let's do this.
Let's enjoy this day.
Woo, let's go.
Tower Bridge, 1.5 miles.
I've already muddied myself.
Cool. There. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Yeah. And we have to cross it again. And she's okay. Jesus Christ. Don't walk backwards in the snow. Ready to another crossing. Anybody lose a hat? Hey.
Go Mariners!
Go Mariners! Woo! If you want to do the Fairyland loop, keep on going that way. But we are almost to Tower Bridge. And we're here at Tower Bridge. That's pretty awesome.
All right, so that is it from Tower Bridge here. So beautiful.
Yep.
But now we gotta head back the way we came, go up 800 and some feet.
Yeah.
Whew, the legs and
we're
the
not going
lungs.
to record it because there's going to be a lot of bleeps and more bleeps. And so we'll see you back at the top, I hope.
We will.
Let's go.
All right.
Snap it.
Right.
Whatever. We made it. Oh my God.
That was exhausting.
Yeah. Oh my God.
We did 3.7 miles.
850, 60 feet.
In elevation. It felt like way more than that when you're at like 8,000 feet in elevation.
It was twice that.
But now we are headed towards Sunrise Point, and we are going to walk the rim trail and head down to our next stop.
Yeah. Oh my. So, if you see that, Bryce Canyon, hit us up.
Find us on YouTube.
Yeah, like, subscribe,
You're
all that
probably
jazz.
already
Blah, blah, blah.
watching us.
Oh yeah, thanks.
So, give us a thumbs up. You know you want to.
If you like hoodoos, give us a thumbs up. Oh. All right, it could be a day later and we have driven further up the road on day 2 and we are at
Fairview Point at 8,800 feet elevation.
Yep.
The highest you could go is Rainbow Point, but the road is closed.
Yep.
Probably
This is
because
as far
of
as we can
snow,
go.
I guess.
Yep. Let's check out the sights and then we have one more
One more hike.
little hike.
Little hike.
Yeah.
And then we're off to Arizona.
Yeah.
Yay.
All right, let's go.
All right, let's do
Is she riding a horse to the car or what? Oh,
Did you get that in recording week?
perfect timing there, Marisa. There you go.
All right, and now we've stopped at Swamp Creek Overlook. We are headed to the Mossy Cave, It is a 0.4 mile hike in. So let's go check out this cave.
It's perfect after yesterday.
Yeah, we're feeling it today.
Right, that was Tropic Ditch Falls.
Wow. All right. Well, that does it for Bryce Canyon.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Highly recommend, especially in the
Amazing.
springtime. It was really quiet compared to Zion. Not a lot of people until like later in the afternoon.
Yep.
So.
Amazing. Oh my God.
So cool.
So glad we came here. Must do. Put it on your bucket list.
Make it happen.
All right, but now we're going south, Flagstaff, Grand Canyon, south tomorrow.
Yep. So thanks for joining us on this edition of our PNW Adventures, and we'll see you on the next video.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye.
Bye.
We might be getting a little dirty today.
We're gonna need like a plastic bag for our pants.
Sorry, I can't help you. I was sliding in. So many people, I miss the other trail. I'm ready to go see a mossy cave.
With the millions.
Oh, jeez.
And millions.
And millions. This is all ice. You hold on, so if I go, you can hold on to the branches. Whoa, don't step there.
Oh, there's no more branches.
Oh no.